Hello, my name is Giulia Neri, and this is my project on the lesson Solving for a Side and Right Triangles with Trigonometry. I will be using this example, and we could see that we are given the angles of 90 degrees right here, 32 degrees right here, and lastly 58 degrees right here. We are also given one of the side lengths, which is 7 in this case. Using this information, we could start finding the two missing side lengths called A and B. We'll be using angle 32 to solve. We could see that the given side length of 7 is adjacent to angle 32, and if we want to solve for the opposite side length, we can use tangent right here, considering it is opposite over adjacent. So we could say that the tangent of that angle, or 32 degrees, equals the length of the opposite side over the length of the adjacent side. Setting up this equation, we can now see that we could multiply 7 by tangent 32 degrees, which will give us the value of A. If we multiply 7 by tan 32, we are given a decimal that can round up to A is equal to 4.6. Now that we have solved for side length A, we could go ahead and substitute that right here. The last missing side length is known as the hypotenuse, and I will be using cosine to solve for the value of b, considering cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Setting up the equation, we know that the cosine of 32 degrees is equal to the adjacent side length over the hypotenuse. We can then solve by dividing 7 by the cosine of 32, which finally gives us the value that b is equal to 8.4. We can substitute this value in, and we have now solved for both side lengths. Thank you for watching, and I hope you know a little more about solving for side lengths and right triangles using trigonometry.